General Science, Standard 6, Chapter 7, Nutrition and Diet. Let us continue. Vitamins. Water soluble vitamins. Vitamin B and vitamin C dissolve easily in water, so they are called water soluble vitamins. They are thrown out of the body through the water in sweat and urine. Hence, a regular supply of these vitamins is essential. Essential means important. B1, B2, B3, B6, B9, and B12 are the important types of vitamin B. Water insoluble vitamins. These vitamins are insoluble in water but are soluble in fatty substances. They get stored in the body. Vitamins A, D, E, and K are the fat soluble vitamins. Vitamins, sources, and functions. Vitamin A helps in protection of eyes, helps to keep skin, bones, and teeth healthy. Sources: carrot, milk, butter, dark green vegetables, sweet potatoes, deep yellow fruits and vegetables. Deficiency diseases: night blindness, that is inability to see in dim light, and xeroderma, that is dry skin. Vitamin B1 helps in proper functions of nerves and heart. Sources: milk, fish, meat, cereals, nuts, pulses. Deficiency diseases: beriberi, that is nerve disorder, muscle weakness, inefficiency. Vitamin B9 helps in growth of the body. Sources: deep green vegetables, papayas, kiwis. Deficiency diseases: improper growth, anemia, forgetfulness, slow movements. Vitamin B12 helps in formation of red blood cells. Sources: meat and milk products. Deficiency disease, anemia. Vitamin C protects body tissues, formation of collagen, a protein essential for gums, teeth, bones, and skin. Sources: amla, kiwi, oranges, and other citrus fruits, cabbage, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables. Deficiency diseases: scurvy, that is bleeding of gums, thyroid malfunction, delay in healing of wounds. Vitamin D absorbs calcium and phosphorus for healthy bones and teeth. Sources: on exposure to sunlight, vitamin D is made in the human body from some substances in milk, fish, eggs, and butter. Deficiency diseases: rickets, that is softening of the bones, causing pain and fractures. Vitamin E helps in smooth functioning of metabolism inside the cells, reproduction, maintaining efficiency of muscle cells. Sources: wheat germ, green leafy vegetables, tender leaves, vegetable oils. Deficiency diseases: weak muscles, obstruction in reproduction, skin disorders. Vitamin K helps in clotting of blood. Sources: green leafy vegetables, green cabbage, broccoli, sprouted pulses, yellow of eggs, deficiency diseases, excessive bleeding after an injury. Always remember, some vitamins are very sensitive to heat and light. For example, vitamin C is easily destroyed while cooking. Therefore, vitamin C rich foods should be eaten raw.